Hello, I'm Mylene, and this is a special episode for moms and grandmoms. As you all know, I am a mother too, and I was thinking about what qualifies me to be a mother aside from bearing and rearing of children. It's the capacity to nurture.
Home is where mom is, and particularly maybe in the kitchen or in the garden. And some people may argue that this is not true to all moms, that they are actually nurturing. Maybe some have experiences of neglect and abandonment. The point is, even not for children, even for pets or for plants, we express our capacity to nurture. And we also enjoy the benefits, the rewards that comes from it, the fulfillment of having to see whatever it is that we derive from it.
So hugs to all of you moms out there. Just keep on nurturing because that is our special gift as mothers.